All right, folks, welcome back. Today, looking out the quad box, we have a kind of very hazy sky out there. Here in Springfield, you can see the haze low to the ground. That's your humidity. The cold front, though, is crossing through town right now. Behind that, we should be ending with cloud cover. Looking at sunshine now, looking at the Ozarks Mountain Sports Complex. We're all seeing a few clouds and a bit of thicker haze also up in central Missouri. A lot of moisture. You'll feel it walking outside. It's also pretty warm. And you can see the moisture here from our tower camera. It is decreasing, though, now. Again, that cold front has crossed through Springfield now at the midday hour. Still warm, 80 degrees. More of a west wind, though. It was a south wind earlier. Now it's a west wind at 16 miles an hour. 81 Kempton, 83 Lake Ozarks, 78 West Plains. But notice this, behind that front, you're in the mid-70s with a west wind, a little breezy, 10 to 20 miles an hour. Meanwhile, a south wind near Highway 63. Your dew points are also dropping behind this cold front. So if you're behind the cold front, your chance of rain today is done. If you're ahead of the cold front, chance of rain today is low, but you're not done yet. Okay, your chances are still there. About 20-30% chance of maybe a storm or two in south central Missouri, down towards the Boot Heel, then also north central Arkansas, near the Jonesboro, Arkansas area as well. That's for later today. Right now, just seeing some clouds rolling on through, that haze hanging in thick at the midday hour. A little rain pocket, though, a little cluster down in south central Oklahoma. That is going to move to the north and east, and that'll produce a few showers at times. Far southern Missouri, south of the state line into Arkansas as the day goes on to the end of the afternoon. Possibly a stronger storm out of that, but there's a cap in play that might limit how tall those storms can grow. So not anticipating any severe weather today, although a stronger storm could certainly be a possibility in our southern counties, really south of Highway 60 into northern Arkansas. Maybe a stronger storm or two, 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m. as that front continues to press on to the east. And then there'll be some lingering showers this evening down to the southeast as well. But tomorrow is really the beginning of our storm mode pattern. We're jumping right in, right head first. Another storm day. It looks like storms will develop back towards the southwest between Bentonville, Joplin, so maybe down near Neosho or Anderson. Storms begin Friday morning, 10:30, 11 o'clock, okay? Through the midday hour, these storms will be strong, will be severe, a lot of instability for these storms to work with. All right, so those will be a strong storm system coming through Friday mid-morning, midday, and afternoon. Then they'll move on out as we go into Friday evening. Here comes May. More to get through, right? A boundary sets up. We'll see rounds and waves of showers and storms Sunday night, Monday night, and then we go into Tuesday. The larger storm system blows on through, and this will be a maker for severe weather as we go into Tuesday here locally in the Ozarks. A lot of instability. Cold front comes through the area, and we're looking at a storm day Tuesday of next week as well. Okay, so for today, middle 80s, maybe a stray shower or thunderstorm to the southeast. Some hail and some wind. Tonight, upper 50s. Tomorrow, mid 80s. Severe storms likely. A big day. Not everyone's going to see storms, but a storm or two will be nasty on your Friday. Large hail and an elevated risk of a tornado. That higher risk for tornado is going to be off towards the east of Highway 63. After that, quiet on Saturday. Another storm risk Sunday, Monday, mostly in the west. Tuesday is another higher risk for storms here locally.